Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the Back to the Roots Organic Mini Mushroom Farm. The Mushroom Mini Farm is a fun and educational kit that allows you to grow your own edible pearl oyster mushrooms. Everything you need is in the box, and the instructions are straightforward and easy to follow. First, remove the punch-out window in the front of the box. In the box, you will find an instruction card and this bag containing the growing substrate and organic mushroom spawn. Just follow the instructions on the card to get started. First, we're going to want to cut an X shape in the front of the plastic bag. Do this in the box so that the opening will be the right size for the cutout in the box. Now, with the flaps open, use a fork to lightly scrape away some of the white layer. Next, take the bag out of the box and soak it in a large bowl of water with the cut side facing down. You'll just need to leave it in the water for 6 to 10 hours. After the block is done soaking, you can go ahead and put it back in the box with the opening facing towards the cutout. The plastic flaps do not have to be held open, and also don't cut them off, as this will help it retain moisture while the mushrooms grow. Set the box with the cut side up near a window where it can receive indirect sunlight during the day. For example, here it's just out of the sunlight in this south-facing window. Once a day, you'll want to add about a tablespoon of water under the flaps to keep the mushrooms hydrated. After about 3 days, I started to see some tiny bumps like cauliflower appear on the surface of the block. This stage is called mushroom pinning. Here are the mushrooms on day 4. At this stage, you can stand the box upright as the mushrooms continue to grow. From here on, you'll see these mushrooms double in size about every day. Here they are on day 5, really filling in now. Here's day 6. And this is day 7. On day 8, they look about ready to harvest. You can see the tops of the mushroom caps are flattening out, and the edges are starting to turn brown, but they haven't flared upward yet or split at the edges, which is what happens when they're past peak ripeness. So we're going to carefully take a sharp knife and slip it in between the mushrooms and the box. You'll want to harvest all the mushrooms at the same time. Here's the whole harvest, and it looks like we got just over a quarter pound. We cooked these up in a little bit of butter and they were pretty tasty. So overall, I'd say this mini mushroom farm was a success and a whole lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.